everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's take a look and see who it's from. All right. This is from Tapestry Markets, and I've only done a few reviews for them, so let's take a look and see what we got going here. If I can just figure out how to open it. Kind of a big poopy bag. All right, and I will put a picture here. All right, as you can see, they are roses, and this is one of the stained glass type ones. This one was $13.99, and it's a 40 by 40. Very nicely printed. Has 40 colors. It has 310 black. No, 550 purple. Has 823, which is the dark navy. And it has 939, which is a black navy. It's really, really dark. No 3371 or 3865. It does have B5200. This is a very nicely printed pattern. Very nice. I do like the way that they are making these. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many stitches, stitch per stitch. It's 147 stitches across by 147 up high. So very nice indeed. Let's see what else is in this kit here. Hang on, we'll just flip everything over. It does come with instructions on how to start, how to finish, how to do, you know, just everything you need to know. And that way, if you're a new stitcher, you have instructions on how to separate your thread, how to match the number on the thread card to the number or the symbol and everything to stitch. It does come with a toolkit with 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader, and we have a fish this time. Let's take a look. Don't need those scissors. I'm going to stab myself. So all the thread is in its own bag. It does tell you how big it is and the product number. Does come with a hank of B5200, which is a bright white. Let's take a look at the rest. These are very pretty kits. I really like them. Let me see if I can get it shook out there a little bit. We'll look at all the pretty colors. Look at that pale turquoise. And we have a medium coral and kind of a plum color. That's where your B5200 is. And we have dark navies, dark greens, pinks in various shades. Another coral color, about a medium. Beautiful turquoise and teals. Look at all the reds. So this is going to be beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. And another beautiful part about this is it's only a 40 by 40. So very nicely done. There's a lot of thread there. I wanted to see something. No. I guess you're supposed to put that white all the way around. So that would be up to you if you wanted to do that. get these fringes. That's what I need those scissors for. All right. Look at the canvas. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Very nicely printed canvas. Very easy to see all the symbols. Very nice. And it is serged all the way around. Your serging goes a little bit in the numbers, but your symbols are just fine. And this is the number for the thread card. I'm into the DMC numbers. Did I say that? Wow. I don't know. I had a little brain fog there. So sorry. But yes, very nicely printed. Very easy to see. And this is 15 3/4 inches or 40 centimeters. And it is 40.5 centimeters. Well, 41 centimeters, sorry. Or 16 inches. Actual picture size is 34.5 or 13.5. Geez, had to reverse everything. And it is 13.25 or 33.5 that way. So very nice, very nice. And I think this one would be easy to do. There's a little bit of confetti. It's just kind of sprinkled with here and there. But you do have big rivers of color, kind of balancing it all out. So that is nice. Love that. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one also was $13.99, and it is also a 40 by 40. See if I can get it out of here. I will put a picture here. All right, as you can see, this is the tulips. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all that turquoise in the background, man. I can hardly wait to start this. This will be beautiful. Just beautiful. Same nice printing. Very easy to read chart. Product number, how big it is, how many squares per square. Let's see. We have no 310 in this one. We have 666 red. No 823. No 939. No 3371. And it does have 3865 for this background edge. So, I don't know. As far as I'm concerned, I would just do the center medallion and leave the corners off. It depends. I mean, if you want to make a full thing, you sure can. You can do whatever you want. It's your pattern now, right? So, yeah, I just wouldn't take the time if your material is already white. It just doesn't make too much sense to me. All right, very nice. And did I say paper pattern will match the canvas, just like the last one? Push that down a bit. It does come with instructions, how to start, how to finish, and how to even stitch. Let's see, we have the threads and a toolkit. We have the tiger again. Hopefully you can see that. There you go. 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. Does come in a package just like the last one with how big it is and what the product number is. Get those beautiful colors out of there. Whoops. Get rid of that bag a minute. All right, so you have a hank of 3865 for your background. And let's look at all the other bright, beautiful colors. It's going to have lots of teals and pinks and oranges in it. Give it a shake. All right, whoops. So we have a peach, we have kind of a rust color, kind of a taupe color. But here is all the colors, all the beautiful, beautiful colors. All right. Look at all those bright, vivid colors. Reds, pinks, bright neon green, like a pale olive green, light blues, reds. Look over here. Oranges, teals, blues. Gorgeous. And this is a deep, dark green. It's gorgeous, too. Just beautiful. Stunning, stunning colors. Man, I'm liking these. Now, I don't know how many other ones are in this type of a category type thing. If they have any others. I know they have the owl that I got from someone else. And then these two, I don't know if there's any others, so you might check that out to see if there's any other kinds. But just beautiful colors. And again, I'm loving the 40 by 40, 40 by 45 size. It's nice. It's easy to hang on to, easy to transport. Look at that canvas. It is just luscious. Just absolutely luscious. Gorgeous. It is serged all the way around. Does have the product number and how big it is here. How many squares per square down here. And this one is probably the same size as the last. It is 40 centimeters across and 40 centimeters down, or 15 3/4. So this one's pretty square. We have 33.5 centimeters, or 13 1/4 by 34 centimeters, or 13.5. So very nice. We got piece of fuzz over here. But very well printed, very nicely packaged. I love that. Now the stitching does go into the number, but your paper pattern will match, so you don't have to worry about the DMC numbers. Symbols are very nice and clear. They're at least 1/4 of an inch wide, each one, so you can see them really well. This is very well printed. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Just absolutely lovely. Just gorgeous. Love them. Might be my new obsession. Now, Tapestry Market only has like sewing crafts, shall I say. They have custom, they have cross stitch, beaded embroidery, and I think they have regular embroidery. They have tools and crafts for all that. And if they have any specials, I will put them in the description box below. Thank you, Tapestry Market, for sending me these beautiful kits. I just absolutely love them. So you may see more of them. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.